Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of Dev Diaries. In this episode, I will discuss what I have explored this week. So without any further ado, let's get started. Last week, I started exploring Defold, a Lua-based game engine. I followed their player movement tutorial and moved the spaceship on the screen using keyboard inputs. This week, I dived in further and started exploring ways and how to make the movement better. Initially, the movement was based on translating the player's X and Y positions. After experimenting with the player's position, velocity and acceleration, me and my colleagues decided to apply force to the player and let the physics engine handle the movement. This was a better approach to making the physical movement without much hassle. After the movement based on inputs for a single player, it was time to make the game multiplayer. Making a multiplayer game comes with its own set of challenges. We first tried synchronizing player movements by passing on position X and position Y values between players and setting the new position after it was received from the server. This was working, but the result was a bit janky. Then we went ahead with force-based movement, and for some reason, the receiver was slower than the sender on updates. We realized we were updating state of the receiver twice on a single position update, and hence it was not able to synchronize properly. We fixed the issue and were finally able to synchronize player movements across different clients. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Dev Diaries. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. I will meet you guys in the next episode. Till then, bye bye.